Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to Google Authenticator. First, ensure both apps are installed and updated on your device. Two-factor authentication adds a crucial layer of security, protecting your digital assets from unauthorized access. We'll start by navigating to your Trust Wallet's security settings to begin the linking process. This initial step is vital for a smooth setup. Once inside Trust Wallet, tap on Settings, then Security, and look for the two-factor authentication option. Enable this feature, and the app will present you with a unique secret key. It's crucial to copy this key accurately. This key acts as the bridge between your Trust Wallet and Google Authenticator, ensuring a secure connection. Do not share this key with anyone. Now open your Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus sign to add a new account. Select Enter a setup key and paste the secret key you copied from Trust Wallet. Give it a clear name like Trust Wallet so you can easily identify it later. This step generates the time-sensitive codes you'll use for verification. Finally, return to your Trust Wallet. You'll be prompted to enter the 6-digit code currently displayed in your Google Authenticator for the Trust Wallet account. Input this code quickly, as it changes every 30 seconds. Confirm the connection to activate your enhanced security. Remember to always keep your recovery phrase safe. For more great financial insights, check the description for a link to * the simple path to wealth * and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.